Welcome to the Brook Railroad, and today I'll tell you the story of this little signal head. Just on a whim, I decided I was going to design a single searchlight signal head. Kind of based it on a 1-inch conduit box. This is, I guess you could call this a 1 cubic inch box, because it's basically half of a 2 cubic inch box. So here's what the device box looks like. It fits on top of 1-inch conduit or 1-inch water pipe or whatever you use for holding a signal up for a signal mast. On one side, you have a cap. And this cap fits nicely right on here. Just like a standard electrical device cap. But where it differs is what you can put on the other side. This is a horizontal version, so it fits on like this. But you look at the back side of this, and this LED lens is just here for demonstration purposes, just to show you how it fits in here. But that's how it fits in there. It's cut out for an LED lens, and you pop this thing on here. A little bit of a tight fit, but when you've cured it properly, it's tight enough that it's watertight, or at least it looks like it anyway. And if it's not, that's fine. You can always put gaskets in there. It is, after all, a standard conduit shape. So anyway, I showed this to my friend Bill, and he says, yeah, the market needs a product like this, or another product like this. So, I printed another, but getting ahead of myself. So, after having printed these, by the way, one goes horizontal, one goes vertical, so you can put them on a mast in kind of this configuration here. So, which is a standard configuration on Central Vermont Railway and Boston and Maine Railroad on the Connecticut River line back years ago. But anyway, getting ahead of myself again. So Bill saw this, and after he said, yeah, need more things like this on the market, he said, how would you like my old printer? This is a Formlabs Form2. And this is its wash station. So right now, that was the first draft, by the way. I have the second draft on the Formlabs right now, if I can hold this still enough. Yeah, so the second draft is on the Formlabs. And just working away, printing this thing out. Meanwhile, over here, I've got the old Anycubic LCD 3D printer. Working away, making a tank car dome. That's something else I think the market could use. Tank car domes. So, yeah, a couple of things that I think I may just bring to market, and I'll come up with a price that isn't insane as what I'd quoted to a couple of guys for LED headlights, but I'm not ready to put the LED headlights out on the open market yet. When I do, I'll bring the price down on those. So there will be more to come. But yes, 3D printing adventures on the Brook Railroad, and printing some useful stuff. These and the other thing I've been printing a lot of, tie plates. Need lots and lots of tie plates on the Brook Railroad. The version that I've got on the Formlabs right now, by the way, It's a little bit bigger target, and it's got the bead roll look around the outside, so that's gonna look even more the part of a searchlight signal. But in the meantime, I think I might just paint these up, put some electronics in it, and actually put them in service on the Brook once I finally get a few other things tended to. Yeah, signals. It's kind of exciting. And this thing's exciting too. So, oh yeah, and to top it all off, this was just the icing on the cake because you've given me this Form 1 that needs repair. Once I get that repaired, I'll have 3 3D printers cranking out parts here at the Millbrook Railroad. There'll be tie plates, and I think we'll do some insulated joint bars too. And maybe some switch point blocks. Lots of things I could do with this. I think also maybe some other track components can actually be 3D printed plastic without actually compromising their integrity. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching today's video. If you did like it, hit the thumbs up button. You can join us over on Patreon, patreon.com/Millbrook Railroad. You get some extra perks, see behind the scenes. A lot sooner than you've seen it here. All the folks on Patreon have already seen all this stuff before I even got it set up. So that's another compelling reason to join us over on Patreon. It doesn't cost us all that much, and it helps us make more videos. Enjoy the rest of your day, and thanks for watching.